listening to rap metal. Turntables in her eyes. It's like a bad movie. She's looking through me. If you were me, then you'd be screaming, someone shoot me. As I fell miserably, trying to get the girl all the bad guys want. She's the girl all the guys want. She likes the guys hanging out like Agent Orange. Her CD changes from the singers that are mad at their dad. Said she liked the schools with Ripper and a 40. She'll never know that I'm the best that she'll never have. When she walks, all the wind blows and the angels sing. She'll never notice me watching wrestling, screaming over tough guys, listening to rap metal. Turntables in her eyes. She likes a with a mustache, race tracks, sleeves and brown, driving in a Trans Am. Nothing wrong with making man. It's like a bad movie. She's looking through me. If you were me, then you'd be screaming, someone shoot me. As I fell miserably, trying to get the girl all the bad guys want. She's a girl all the bad guys want. She's a girl all the bad guys want. She's a girl all the bad guys want. There she goes again with fishnets on. You guys sing her hair. From my heart, I wanna be sedated. All I wanted was to see her naked. Now I'm watching wrestling, trying to be a tough guy, listening to rap metal. Turntables in my eyes. And I can grow a mustache. I ain't got no season pass. All I got's a moped. Okay, you just messed up the moped thing. It's okay, I understand. I didn't really give instructions before, and that's my fault. Okay, so now you guys are gonna be the moped delay. We'll go, all I got's a moped, and then you just sort of like get quieter, and then you stop. And don't shout moped. Or hit Willie in the Willie. All I got's a moped. Moped, moped, moped. Amazing. See what happens when you play ball? Seriously, no, it's not conformity, it's just awesome. It's like a bad movie.